Do you want to turn off your Apple Watch and you don't know how to go about it? If yes, then this particular video is going to walk you through step by step on how to turn off your Apple Watch. So this works on Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Series 10, Apple Watch SE, all Apple Watch series. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go ahead and press and hold the control center button. So you have your digital button and then you have the control center button. So you need to go ahead, press and hold the control center button for like 3 to 5 seconds. Then once you feel the haptics, you're going to have this menu pops on your Apple Watch screen: medical ID, compass track, emergency SOS. Now, to turn off your Apple Watch, locate the power button at the top right and then click on it once. Then you're gonna see power off. Just go ahead, slide to power off your Apple Watch, and once you slide to power off your Apple Watch is going to turn off and all the activities on your Apple Watch will be ended automatically. Now, if you want to turn it on again, I want to repeat the same thing by locating the control center button on your Apple Watch, press and hold it. Mark you, the times it takes your Apple Watch to turn on is much more than the time it takes your Apple Watch to turn off. So if you quickly want to turn off your Apple Watch, it is fast, but to turn it on, you might need to wait for like 15 to 20 seconds. So that is basically how to turn off your Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.